Welcome to BitNasdaq P2P Trading, your secure and efficient way to buy and sell crypto. In this quick guide, we'll walk you through the BitNasdaq P2P module. First, log into your BitNasdaq account and select the P2P Trading tab on Homepage. This will take you to the P2P module, where you'll land on the P2P tab. Here, you can browse buy and sell ads from BitNasdaq P2P merchants. Easily switch between different fiat currencies and crypto to match your preference. Or use the filter tool to refine ads based on price, payment methods, or other preferences. Next, the Orders tab lets you track your pending trades based on order status. You can also view your completed and canceled transactions. In the Ads tab, BitNasdaq P2P merchants can create and manage their ads. This tab also stores all active and inactive ads for quick access. The Profile tab gives you access to your P2P wallet and account settings. Here, you can add and manage payment methods for simple transactions. Interested in becoming a merchant? Apply directly from the Profile tab. BitNasdaq's P2P module is designed for ease, security, and convenience. BitNasdaq, your go-to platform for P2P trading. Happy trading!